Kwata kindu vandu no yete kinge vandu vange ngwenda ukutavya. Unda toa MC katambia. Nanenge ndio kuya vengangiza neza kana zethia maundu imo kana sanga saidi zenge. Kie ne kilungu na isa ni ya asanta kuwete maundu kati kutungeni ya kendone kuthengaisa maundu na kendo kivata kumunenga kendo kila kira duniani kuwete kendo kingi kimoyo lulo wa kingi indi ni asiata nenge kendo ngonenge kingi eto MC katambia nundu wako matambia na muyo yani starehe tungeni amao nikale mwanyane na niendai tulike wise ya talika ke design ewe Nena tulike design yesu
wachuma
umundu nengane special dedication a special video tujamaa umwe munazana one of the best today, tomorrow, and forever. One of the best show hosts. Etra Mutiso Wakadonzweni. Ula munawasi ae. Simtulie. Indi anenara. Simtulie. Mutiso Wakadonzweni, congratulations. Mwanazunu tukuni ya kindu kita beyond the barriers. Beyond the barriers. No proving our fake assumptions wrong. I want to tell you that whatever you have done is something yenye if you youths tuwe hatu imanda na tuyeona kiuti kindu possible weno kuimagine kweza uitangaza the same studio na mundu wetu watutua choma idhanu wanalizeane sa katika media like ukethugizia mundu ina confidence mundu content creation yake na content delivery yake ni very good with the same radio station na kana with the same we behind the same microphone ya tumuone mondo we ututua choma we pando twelo ku respect so congratulations sana mondo we Mutiso Wakadonzweni nutu motivate ye a young upcoming journalists kana by the way it's possible we can do it na kilungu kilawe oyuki kwa tenesa kilungu cha ikase ukikwa tenesa we na mundo we manyanga the vibe, the chemistry is giving. That chemistry is very well and it is delivering. I like it, I love it. After just few days analysis ya kwa tamundo ninoni ebegendo. By the way kilungu cha singila mwa seasoneza. Eneze tudinenda ono. Otudinenda wana zetu. Kilungu cha singila mwa seasoneza ikasane kwa the problem. Mondo manyanga na Mutiso Wakadonzweni made the problem moto sana. Congratulations. Once again, congratulations. Now, a special congratulations bado kwa mondo we DJ Biado. Mujomba here, Mujomba there. DJ Biado, by the way, could give chance. Another nuna plan it like unena your own plans yeah. At this time around, at this period, this time I'll quit radio. Congratulations na thank you very much. Kwando ku appreciate Mutiso Wakadonzweni na kumunenga that opportunity. Ya just on a show. Onadhani ana on that show for a week. Onadhani 2 weeks. Onadhani 1 month. Like just that honor. Nimependa. So thank you very much. In a special way. Elango zene.
namovela
aitao
lango sene
wekata
namovela lango sene
abekwata
abalekwa
aiwe
abavoto
uyaserendi
abalekwa
aitao
abavotwa nabekungwa
ya
amateyelanga
atungilila ingi
nabekungwa amateyelanga
we
kana lili aiye mono
aiwezera
lili aiye mono lakini yalejelanga lakini
bani kwa hizo wawili hata
jelanga mbili
oh
manyendile kasia
we sure
mbili manyendile kasia ondokwe kana lili
oh
ondokwe
wakatabie
kana lili oyuelanga
ya
yevawo
oyuelanga yevawo
sande lili nondwelanga
azande lili nondwelanga
nendongone.
By the way, I want once again to appreciate and congratulate Otutua Joma. Your brains are somewhere else. Your brains are somewhere else. Your brains are very rare. The combination na chemistry ya kusilia na kusisi ya kona manyanga to mu mixi na Mutiso Kathonzweni ni maete kindu ai kigo taking the very unique so thank you very much thank you very much as upcoming youths journalists tunafurahi ngisi kana ngimewi to nungiwa lakini niwe ni omuyani no at least ningo na pay youth omwe wito wipando no wipando tita mane yako bathi
itandi kitata sikwela kama Mombasa
tutamane yao bathi
yakelole
na ningo tungelela tutamane yao bathi
shauri ya vero gongo mwisho
anenge zuo moe tokaire kito
imba chai iliana wote
suomwe tokaite kito
bongo karo wa manusi
toamaite kito
kundi beungata
yani toamaite yito
leko sia magendo bindwa mwecha
tokakwata pando
sioka we gombe sioka
oneni mwetekele
joni gambitine beungata bida jolowe.
In the meantime, congratulations Mutiso Kathonzweni. I thank you very much Squid FM and Kamba TV. Thank you. In the meantime, bye bye. Asante. Asanta. MC Katambia. Nundoa. Asante. Asanta.
Obabona bita mungoti. Yendo matinga wote makuweni. Shauri ya yewe.
Ndendeni zana ngawali wene.